Would you like to add a radius to your corners in Adobe InDesign? As always, it's very simple. We have this rectangle here and we would like to make the corners round. Click on your rectangle and go to Properties. Then in the Appearance section of Oh dear, that's never happened before. Not having much luck with this video. Out of sync audio. This is probably out of sync right now. Anyway, I'm clicking on the thing, it's coming up on my screen. When I'm going to edit the video, it's not coming up for you. Let me take over. I'm sure this guy's got plenty to say, but let me try and remember. You want to click on your rectangle, then go to Properties. In the Appearance section of Properties, you can change whether it has a fancy, a bevel, an inset, an inverse rounded, or rounded. And then you can change the amount of pixels here. And there we have our rounded corners. Yes, it's simple, but it can be difficult to just remember all this stuff and you have to look it up. Anyway, subscribe for more.